love the event. I actually have been to the event multiple times, so this is my third year coming. And I just love the work that ACT is doing for Haiti.
Beautiful people in the house tonight.
It's great to be here. It's an honor to be here.
What's going to make the change, and not just talk about making the change, but actually making the change together.
Congratulations to each and every single one of our honorees this evening. Tonight we are here to celebrate the incredible impact we have made, the challenges that we have faced in the future. We are building together.
The work that ACT does is a direct alignment in the work that I believe in and that we do there at Focusip. This event was created to highlight Haitian trailblazers and to have guests, Haitians and friends of IET, help to shift the narrative.
Just keep at it, because you're motivating us, you're inspiring us, and most importantly, you are creating impact in our community.